Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Dewalt leaf blowers are probably one of the most important purchases for homeowners and landscaping professionals alike, offering a powerful and efficient solution for tackling leaves, debris, and other yard waste. In this video, we will explore the top Dewalt leaf blowers on the market, comparing their features, performance, and overall value to help you choose the perfect model for your needs. Number 5. Dewalt 20V Max Blower DCE 100B. This powerful blower tackles tough jobs with ease. Its variable speed settings give you precise control, no matter the task. It boasts a maximum airflow of 100 CFM, making quick work of leaves and debris. You'll get the job done faster and more efficiently. The 3-speed variable switch lets you adjust the power to match the job. Get the perfect amount of airflow for any situation. The trigger lock-on feature reduces fatigue during extended use. It's designed for comfort and efficiency. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. You can easily reach those hard-to-reach areas. It's perfect for cleaning joints, clearing debris, and preparing your work area. It's a versatile tool for various tasks. It comes with 3 nozzle attachments to customize your cleaning. You'll find the perfect nozzle for any job. What we like. It boasts a practical variable speed switch for versatile use. If you need a lightweight and easy-to-handle blower for smaller yards or delicate tasks, this is the perfect choice. Its compact design makes it ideal for tight spaces and quick cleanups. What people say. It has plenty of power for that job. More than enough. Its very small size was a great surprise, smaller than I thought it would be. Very light, very easy to use, and of course receives my Dewalt batteries. Size is perfect, not huge to have to haul out. Everything on it works perfect. Some folks have complained that it is slow and has no force. Not true, the blower comes set to the lowest speed, there are 3 speeds and high is very powerful. Another great tool in the Dewalt 20V lineup. Honestly, we use this as much on the boat as at home. With adapter nozzle, quickly inflates anything floating related, towables, floating mattresses, paddleboards, etc. A big Bertha, 3-person towable. Literally inflated in 30 seconds, this thing rocks for that purpose. Number 4. Dewalt DCBL 722B Leaf Blower. This cordless blower offers powerful performance and impressive runtime. It's perfect for tackling leaves quickly and efficiently. Experience up to 450 CFM of air volume and a blazing 125 miles per hour with the concentrator. It moves leaves effortlessly. The innovative design maximizes air output and extends the battery life. You'll get more done on a single charge. At only 62 dBA, it's quieter than many competitors. It's ideal for noise-sensitive areas. The brushless motor provides longer run time and a longer lifespan. It's built to last. It's lightweight and designed for comfort. You'll experience less fatigue during use. The variable trigger and speed lock give you precise control over the power. You can easily adjust it to your needs. What we like. This model stands out with its impressive power and quiet operation. If you're looking for a powerful blower that won't disturb your neighbors, this is it. Its high airflow makes quick work of large areas, while the low noise level is perfect for noise-sensitive environments. What people say. Balances well, easy to use trigger, and not too loud. No problem clearing wet leaves off of driveway and blowing them a few feet onto the lawn. It replaces a powerful corded Toro blower, and it is hard to tell much difference. This leaf blower is lightweight and easy to use. I love it. Number 3. Dewalt FLEXVOLT 60V Blower DCBL 772X1. This powerful blower tackles tough jobs with ease. Its high-efficiency motor delivers exceptional runtime and performance. Experience the power of 600 CFM of air volume and 125 miles per hour wind speed. It effortlessly clears even the most stubborn debris. It's built to withstand the rigors of daily use on any job site. Its robust design ensures long-lasting durability. The variable speed trigger and speed lock give you complete command over the airflow. Maintain consistent performance with ease. It comes complete with a 60V max *3Ah battery and charger, so you're ready to go right out of the box. This blower combines power, control, and durability to make quick work of any cleanup task. Experience the Dewalt difference. What we like. This powerhouse delivers exceptional performance and comes with a powerful battery and charger. If you need a robust and high-performance blower for demanding tasks in larger areas, this is the one. Its high airflow and heavy-duty construction make it perfect for tackling tough jobs. What people say. Have never used a gas backpack. The power this thing has. Red Max or Echo doesn't make a model this powerful. It comes a FLEXVOLT battery but no fast charger. They made improvements to the intake, it being right under the trigger, which happens to be the safest and place for it. This way it doesn't matter whether you are right or left-handed, as it won't pull your pants in. So many handheld blowers have this issue. For a battery-powered blower, this model is very powerful and easy to handle. I recommend the combo with the 9Ah battery and charger. This unit is best for mostly light-duty, blowing decks, driveways, clippings, etc. More power than my old gas blower. Does this blower cost more than my mower? Yes. Is it worth it? Absolutely. This thing has as much if not more power than the blower I had that plugged into the wall and keeps the benefit of not having to deal with gas oil or the thing trying to vibrate your hand off. The 60V battery, like most other Dewalt batteries, doesn't drain over time, or if it does, at an extremely slow rate, so unlike my old Black & Decker blower, I don't have to mess with putting the battery on the charger after every use if I expect it to be charged the next time. Number 2. Dewalt DCE 100M1 Blower Kit. This cordless blower is part of the Dewalt 20V Max * system, offering superior performance and convenience on the job site. It boasts a max airflow of 100 CFM, making quick work of clearing debris. You'll get the job done faster and more efficiently. With a 3-speed switch and variable speed trigger, you have precise control over the blowing power. Adjust it to suit your needs for any task. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to handle and maneuver, even in tight spaces. You'll appreciate the ease of use and reduced fatigue. The trigger lock-on feature reduces user fatigue during extended use. It's designed for all-day comfort and productivity. It moves air at an impressive 135 miles per hour. This high air speed ensures effective debris removal. This kit includes the blower, battery, and charger, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Everything you need is included for immediate use. What we like. This kit is a great value, offering a compact blower with a battery and charger. If you value convenience and a lightweight design for easy handling, this is a great option. Its multiple speed settings allow for precise control over blowing power. What people say. Great performance for its size. Perfect for my needs. The 3-speed fan is a great feature. I use the job site blower almost daily and am impressed with the balance, lightweight, and ease of use. This blower is best for small to medium tasks like decks, sidewalks, and garages. The benefit of owning Dewalt battery-powered products is the ability to swap battery packs from other Dewalt 20V tools when the need arises. The supplied 4.0Ah battery lasts a good while and is helped by the variable speed trigger and 3-stage power switch on the handle. Great compact size, so it's easy to handle, travel and carry with you if using in different locations. We use to blow off our outside decks and porch as well as to inflate our lake tubes and floats. Also blows leaves out of the garage and flower beds, perfect as not overly powerful. Number 1. Dewalt DCBL 770X1 Handheld Blower. This powerful handheld blower tackles tough jobs with ease. Its high-performance motor and innovative design make quick work of leaves and debris. It delivers an impressive 423 CFM of air volume at 129 miles per hour. That's the power you need to clear even the most stubborn debris. The flat concentrator nozzle boosts air speeds up to 175 miles per hour, making light work of stubborn piles. You'll get the job done faster and more efficiently. Its high-efficiency brushless motor maximizes both runtime and motor life. It's built to last through even the toughest jobs. The variable speed trigger and speed lock give you total control over the power. You can easily adjust it to match the task at hand. It's lightweight and ergonomically designed to minimize strain during extended use. You'll enjoy greater comfort and control. This blower is built to withstand the rigors of daily heavy-duty use. It's a tool you can rely on, job after job. What we like. It offers a unique flat nozzle for increased airspeed, making it perfect for stubborn debris. If you need a powerful and comfortable blower for heavy-duty use, this is an excellent choice. Its ergonomic design minimizes strain during prolonged use. What people say. The blower works great. Powerful and forceful. Great airflow and much quieter than other brands. The battery lasts a long time and allows me to blow out the garage, driveway, sidewalks and still have battery life left. So far this 9Ah battery that's included has never let me down. It easily lasts the whole day. It isn't as powerful as my gas blower, but I was very surprised how closely it compares. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.